Rachel is trying to kill a spider right now.
I need longer tape.
And here's the little bugger right there. You can hardly see it.
Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. That thing's huge.
It is not.
Ew.
It's because you touched it.
Oh my god. Oh my god.
Stop it. Oh my god. Just kill it.
Oh my god.
Drop it on it. Drop that on it. No, you have to like hold it above it and then just drop it on it.
Where'd it go?
It's still under there.
Okay, I got this. Where'd it go? Oh my god. I need something to kill it. It's gonna go near my bed. Here, little guy. Oh.
Oh my god.
Oh my god.
It's still alive.
I can't kill it. I'm scared. I'm scared.
You're making it mad.
It's gonna attack me. I'm scared. Oh my god, it smashed! I think. Oh no, it's just protecting.
It's protecting itself.
From me. Ew! Ew!
Are you gonna poke it?
Ew! Later.
That is so disgusting. Can you pick it up with the thing now? Put it on. Put a piece of tape on it.
Oh, I'm scared. My tape's not sticky anymore. Ew, 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 ew.
Just get it.
Ew. I touched it. Ew. I think we got it now. Ew. Ew, ew. Ew. Ew, I touched it. Ew. I think it's gone. Okay. Dang on it. Ew, I need to throw him down the toilet. Okay.
Okay, let's wait for the result.
It's gone now.
You won.
Am I still on tape?
Yeah. Say goodbye.
Is this going on Facebook?
Yeah.
Goodbye.